The Xiaolo Wireless Lav Mic microphone is a budget and entry-level microphone for your mobile phone. Does it get you the best bang for your buck, or does it blow the more expensive competition out of the way? Watch this video to find out. I have the USB-C version, which works mostly with your Android phones and tablets, but one thing I've done in this video is I'm just recording into my mobile phone with the USB-C port, and I'm recording directly into my camera. But the audio you're actually hearing from this video is recorded all on my mobile phone, and that is what I'm doing right here. So I'm recording to my mobile phone but recording the video with my more professional camera. But generally you can just plug this into your mobile phone and record and see what happens with that. But of course I'm going to take this out later in this video to actually test out what recording sounds like in the streets and test the distance and what it has to offer. So I'm setting up this microphone because I'll be testing it out in various scenarios and check out what I can really get out of it. I'm recording this as I normally would record anything if I have a gadget just like this one, because generally I tend not to record my videos on my mobile phone. But this microphone is really great for people who want to record audio on their mobile phones. And one thing I've actually tested out, which is really nice about this microphone, is that I can plug in this receiver right here into my computer USB-C port, or use an adapter even, and it actually serves as a microphone for my computer if I need to do that. So that actually makes a lot of sense. Now, one thing to note in this video is Xiaolo did send this out to me to check out and review, but they have no input whatsoever in my review and what I'm going to say about this microphone. They'll be seeing this video at the same time I publish it to go live. Now let's actually check out what comes in the packaging of the Xiaolo Wireless Lav Mic microphone system. The box packaging is straightforward, and once you open it up, you're greeted with the multilingual user manual, then the charging case that holds 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. You then have the USB-C cable for charging the microphone system from the case, and the pouch is one of the things you also get with the microphone system. Inside the charging case, you have the clearly branded transmitters, which you have to peel off the electrical contact film so it can start charging, and you get a USB-C receiver in this model, or the Lightning receiver if you get the iOS model. On each of the receivers, you have a USB-C port, which you can also use to charge up for transmitters if you're on the go and not within reach of the charging case. When you close the lid of the charging case, you have an LED indicator that tells you the charge state and updates in real time once you plug this into power also. Pairing up with the smartphone is quick and easy. Plug the receiver into the USB-C port of your device and it just comes alive. Then turn on the transmitters by pressing and holding down the power button on the side of each one if you're using the 2 receiver transmitters. If you're using just one, just turn on the power button on one of them. In less than a second, pairing is automatically completed and you're actually ready to record. Once you're done recording, detach the receiver from your device and put it back in the charging case along with the transmitter, and you're done. No complex setup and no force, no wires to fly all around the place. The Xiaolo Lav Mic claims to have a transmitter to receiver distance of about 65 feet, that's about 20 meters, and up to 6 hours recording time on the transmitters, and this also takes about 1.5 hours to finish charging up, so you don't run out of juice when you're on the way and can quickly charge this up with a fast charger or whatnot. The Xiaolo Wireless Lav Mic system has a 3-level noise cancellation feature, and level 1 is you press the power button once and the light blinks once. And that is what that really sounds like. I'm not hearing this yet on my recording, so you're hearing the same output as I hear it when I am doing the review and editing of the audio. And if you need to move to the next one, you just press the power button once again and the green light will blink twice. That is level 2 of the noise cancellation feature. What does that sound like? Do you like what you're hearing? And it has a 3rd level of noise cancellation, which means I press this once again and the light blinks 3 times. That is level 3, and I can press it one more time to cancel the noise cancellation feature. I think that is really nice to have. And one thing also that the microphone has is stores the state of the last noise cancellation level you used, ensuring that you're ready to go with the noise cancellation feature or settings you used the last time you set up this microphone for use. To toggle the mode function, press the power button twice and the green light will blink. twice again, and audio is back, as you can actually see the indicator on my mobile phone recording here. I think that is also really nice if you're recording and you need to attend to something and you need a bit of privacy. Now, sometimes you just love a nice reverb. To get that working or to turn it off, press the power button 3 times and the green light will blink. Green means reverb is on, and the other one means reverb is off. What does that sound like? Do you actually like what you're hearing out of this microphone right now? Now, I'm not listening to whatever I've recorded so far, since all I've been putting this out to you, so I'm generally going to be hearing this for the first time you're hearing this. And one thing I've done also in this video is I did not edit the audio in whatsoever shape or form to ensure that you get the raw quality out of it. And of course, you can always tune the audio, put some EQ, put some compression as you wish, but I'm giving you the audio raw as it comes out of the microphone system itself. Let's now put the Xiaolo Wireless Lav Mic system to the test, starting with the single user mode, which I've actually been using all this while in the single default user mode, which means that the second transmitter is actually in the box. And then we'll go to the dual user mode, which I'll be joined by my wife. To test the dual user mode out, use it for scenarios like podcasting, interviews, etc. Hi, my name is Dara and I'm joined today by my beautiful wife. Hey babe, how you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
If I may add, you look so stunning.
Thank you.
I might just take you away right now.
Let's go upstairs.
All right, I'm going to do that right after now. So tell us a little bit about what you do.
I'm a registered nurse and I work for the NHS in the
Wow,
UK.
so you basically are part of the people keeping us alive in the
Yes,
UK.
yes,
Thank
you
you
can
very
say
much
that
for your
again.
service.
No problem.
We appreciate what you do generally, and we hope you get more pay.
We hope so.
Even after the current pay rise, you get more pay.
That's not enough, but
It's not
it's
enough.
better than nothing.
It's better than nothing, you know.
Yeah.
So I want to say thank you for joining us, and we'll catch you again in another episode.
All right, bye.
And that is what it looks like recording with 2 people. We'll take this now on the road for an adventure and see what that sounds like. Right, so I'm outside. I'm about just 2 meters away from the receiver plugged into my mobile phone right there. And what I will do is I will walk a little bit further back, just away from the grass. I'll be right back. So I'm about 10 meters away from the receiver now, and I hope the audio still sounds really good and crispy. And I'm gonna walk a bit further back. This is about 15 meters, and this is about 20 meters away from the receiver. And I'm just gonna walk a little bit further back. And I'm actually testing what this really will sound like in a real scenario. Yeah. I live in an active construction zone, and that is what that sounds like. And this is about 40, 50-ish meters. And I'm actually putting this to the test of it. This is about 50 meters, 60-ish meters away now from the Xiaolo wireless receiver system. And I'm just going to start walking back because, of course, who's going to record at such this distance anyways? But I've put it outside of the 20 meters / 65 feet range that it claims to be able to record. And I'm just going to start walking back to the receiver now. I will listen to this just right after I'm done to see if something actually failed out of it. And I'll let you know what that feels like. And next up, what I'll do is I will put it in the vlogging mode where I use my front camera to do the same recording, and I'll walk around. So this is me in sort of a vlogging mode, testing out the Xiaolo Wireless Lav Mic system, walking around. Normally it's not supposed to look the best stable. Oof. This is not supposed to look like the most stable video ever there is, but generally you have a feel of what it's gonna look like. But I can try to make it as good as I can. And that is me. Let's assume I was vlogging, I was on a vacation somewhere. I could record and have some little bit of fun with the setup. Yep. And that is what that is gonna sound like. I'm just gonna start working back now. Yeah, I am recording this generally into my Samsung S21 Ultra. So that is what that would look like if I was in a vlogging mode. Let's say I was an street vlogger, trying to interview people on the street-ish kind of. I'm not actually gonna do that test, but I have a feel of what it looks like outside in the natural elements. So yeah, overall, I think the Xiaolo Wireless Lav Mic system is a great product for anyone who needs a wireless microphone system for their videos and want to use their mobile phone and need to get recording and do not want to break the bank. This comes in under £40 or $40 depending on the geography you're in, either for the iOS or the USB-C version. And it's affordable, and Xiaolo says it delivers good sound. I will check that out when I'm editing the video, but I think I agree generally with it. I kind of listened to one of the general videos I just recorded a few days back when I just got this, and I think it sounds real nice. Yes, you can get more out of it when you tune and do some EQ, but right out of the box you don't need to do so much to actually get your audio out there. Now, if you're interested in buying this microphone, you can check out the link in the video description below, or you can check out the pinned comment also to get one of it. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one. I'll see you next time.